decision kung mangyayari ito o hindi. Hinihintay ko lang ito. So I'm the least bit surprised na maganda yung nilang ngayon.
So, yes. Of course, with regards to him, pero si Alex stuck down na maraming gym during the third quarter. Ano lang yung thoughts mo about him being the leader of the
Yes, yun naman yun, we are 15 strong. Yung team natin, we are 15 strong. So everyone's capable. Alec was struggling during the first half. But nakuha niya yung rhythm niya during the second half. We need to understand, pagka ganun yung laro mo, well, at least those our main guys, lumalaki yung target sa likod yun. When i-scout ka, pinaghahandaan ka, so umihirap. Kailangan mo i-reinvent yung sarili mo para makaging effective ka. Kasi nag-scout din yung mga kabilang team, nagpaplano yung para sa pero maganda yun dahil habang sinusubukan ka, habang nag-challenge ka, nagkakaroon ka ng ibang facets sa game. So I credit Alec that na kaya niyang gawa ng paraan kahit naghahandaan siya na ako sa good job ulit po Alec.